Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will update our settings.py code. We will also establish a connection to our spatial database that we have created previously in the Ubuntu shell. So we can close this window and then we can terminate the server by pressing Ctrl+C. Okay, so first we need to install a couple of third-party Python libraries that will allow us to manipulate geospatial data from within our application. So our virtual environment has been activated. So now we can install the libraries. So the first library that we need to install is Django Leaflet. Okay, so that was successfully installed. And the next library that we need to install is Django GeoJSON. So this will allow us to read and manipulate geospatial data in JSON format. Okay, and then the last library that we need to install for now is just GeoJSON. Okay, so now we have installed the geo libraries that we need. So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to start modifying the source code. So we will start by modifying our settings.py code. So let's open the settings.py file. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add the django.contrib.gis app inside the installed apps. So we will create another element called django.contrib.gis. Okay, and then we need to add our own app, which is called Water Watch app. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to modify the database connection string, which is over here. So this will define the connection string to allow us to connect to our spatial database. So first of all, the engine that we are using is PostGIS. So we're not using SQLite. Okay, this is the engine that we will use. And then the name is the name of the database that we will be using. And we said that the name of the database would be CPT Water. Okay, so we also need the username that we will need to connect to our database. And the user which we have created in the PostgreSQL shell was WaterWatch. And then we need to add the password for the user. And we said that the password was simply Postgres. So that's the same password that we use for every application. Okay, and then lastly, we need to specify the host. So the host is which IP the database is running on. And in our case, it's running on localhost. Okay, so now we've updated our settings.py code. And now we can run the migrate statement so that the database connection will be created. Okay, so let's do that. So first we save the source code with Ctrl+S. Now in our command line, we will run python manage.py migrate. Okay, so the connection to PostgreSQL has been established. So now we have established a connection to our PostgreSQL database from within Django. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.